Hello everyone, hope y'all are having a blessed day. I sure am. I went to the Dollar Tree today. I have so many repeat purchases and then a lot of fun Christmas finds and some preparedness finds that I'll tell you about in a minute. But first off, we have the Palmolive Soft Touch Dish Liquid. Love it, always a staple and repurchase for me. The In-Wash Fragrance Booster in the Fresh scent. Love this, done reviews. All these Dollar Tree reviews and stuff will be linked below. Also not shown is 3 packages of toilet paper, Dollar Tree brand, and a pack of paper plates. Always a repurchase as well. LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener. Love this stuff. 32 loads. I usually get about 12 to 15. I got some of the paper towels, the customized size ones, 140 count. A box of tissues. I got foil, the 40 square foot one. More handle bags from Good Sense. I love these. They're my favorite garbage bags to have. And I have some of the Good Scent zipper seal freezer bags. There's 15 in here now. I needed some Scrub Buddy wet sweeper cloths refills. I like to use these to mop and just quick messes. I got some fabric softener sheets. There's 55 in here. Sun Sky Fresh. They smell really good from Breezy. Always a repeat purchase is the AA batteries, and I really hate that they come in 6 packs instead of 8 now, and the bonus packs had 10 and they have 8 now. But I understand. Still a very good deal for $1. Connor wanted to pick the doggies some stuff out, and he really liked this. He called it a hippo, and I think a lot of times children associate hippos with the color purple because a lot of times they're portrayed as purple. And it just crinkles. I don't think it's... Oh, it does have a squeak in there. But he said he wanted the hippo toy. And we also got some of these canine carry-out bacon flavored treats. We did get some fun bags of candies to try. We got some of these sour boogers gummy candies. We did try these. They are really good and gummy. They are kind of sour. And they come 3 little gummies to a little package. We got some Halloween Pops. You got the pumpkins and the ghost. And we also picked up some marshmallow unicorn poop. Yeah, how fun is that? We've had that before. It's actually really good. It's just a marshmallow. More repeat purchases. I have a essentials pack of hangers. You get 7 in here, and I like the hangers with hooks, and I recently got some more shirts at a yard sale. And my husband got a couple new shirts, so we need some more hangers. I'm gonna have to go through our clothes, but for now, we'll get some new hangers. I always buy the White Rain conditioner in any scent, really. Mainly the coconut, but they did not have that today. I like to shave my legs with this, so I got it in the Ocean Mist today. Just to put back and have. I didn't need this, but I just saw it and I got it. 2 bars of Irish Spring soap and Moisture Blast. This smells fantastic, by the way. Very, very manly and nice. I got my handy dandy secret deodorant. Hand sanitizer from Assured brand, cotton balls that I always repurchase, and I did get a new potato peeler, fruit, veggie peeler, whatever you want to use this for, but mainly this is my potato peeler. It's all I use to peel. I use a knife to peel everything else. I did get one of these non-slip rug underlays. And then you guys know me, I always try to find random things to put back for my husband in his like little work area and home fix-it kind of corner, I guess. But this is a 4-foot by 6-foot tarp for $1. Yeah, it's going to be thin, probably rip real easy, but he may need this to lay on top of while working on the car. So I don't know, there's many uses for tarps, so I thought we'll grab this for him and he can put it back. On to preparedness items really quickly. Also, I want to share this first. In the beauty aisle, I picked up some hair clips to throw my hair up. Clear black, 2 of them for $1. You can't beat that. And I looked in the beauty aisle. Unfortunately, I really didn't find anything too crazy like that I wanted to pick up. They had a bunch of LA Colors new stuff, like lip toppers and things, but I passed on all that stuff. But back to preparedness stuff. I did pick up a 6-pack of Jurassic World tissues. We're a big fan of Jurassic Park here. And my son loves dinosaurs. He saw these and was like, had to have them. They're great for the purse, and Daddy always keeps one in his car console. So I grabbed those because, yes, unfortunately, it's getting that season. Along with that, I did grab a Assured brand multi-symptom daytime cold and flu. I always get like the daytime and nighttime together and end up never using the nighttime pills. So I went ahead and just grabbed the daytime, and this is comparable to Vicks DayQuil cold and flu. I've tried this in the past. It does work, and it helps to ease the symptoms of a cold or flu. I got some severe sinus congestion and pain. These work great as well. There's 12 in here, so that is 6 doses for $1. They do work. I also picked up the Assured brand Severe Congestion Nasal Relief, and this is an pump mist anti-drip 12-hour relief. We shall see. I just thought for, you know, if you're having some severe congestion before you can get to a doctor or anything like that, possibly try that stuff out. And one thing I did pick up for Connor, and this is in the baby section, but any child can use this. If they're sick and puking and diarrheaing a lot, then this will help prevent this. This will make it stop. And I'm always end up being out of this product, pediatric electrolytes, when Connor seems to need it, and we always have to go out and get it. So I'm going to put this back in the cabinet, and it's a nice size for the $1, and it is just as good as the Parents' Choice or name brand. I did find a couple new Bolero items. I picked up and this smells amazing. Now, I am all for their body wash, and this is a cleansing and purifying for all skin types. The vanilla, sugar, and raspberry. Oh my, this smells so good. You get 13.5 ounces. And I also picked up the vanilla, sugar, raspberry paper facial mask. Love their masks as well. I mean, they're not like anything special, but for $1 each, you really can't beat it for a night of pampering. And they also had some coconut and rose water, or coconut and vanilla. They've had that scent in the past. And they had a ton of other stuff in the vanilla, sugar, raspberry, but honestly, I don't need anything else. I just wanted a face mask and the body wash. So I did pick up some candles. Also on the line of preparedness, I found these 5-hour emergency candles from Luminescence, and there's 6 in here, so you get 30 hours of burn time. So if you are into prepping or like to be prepared for natural kind of disaster stuff, definitely pick up some of these. We always have like candles and a ton of stuff like first aid kits and foods and all kinds of stuff. We're all about prepping. So I did find these awesome Luminescence candles, and they're the warm maple syrup, and I have some decorative things that I'm going to put these in, but these smell amazing, and there's 8 for $1. And in the jar candle, I found a strawberries and cream, and it's just a creamy strawberry scent. Very nice and potent, and I'm always a fan of the cream kind of scents, especially strawberries and cream. So I was excited to find that so late in the season here. I'm so excited about this stuff because I'm already Christmas shopping, and I found a ton of Christmassy gift stocking ideas at the Dollar Tree today, and I'm just gonna run through them kind of quickly because there's a bunch. But I got one of these little kitchen play sets because Allie loves stuff like this now. And yeah, it's just little fruits. I thought that was fun for her. That's not, I'm gonna let her have that tomorrow on babysitting, but yeah. Something that I picked up for my Connor, this is a splat ball, and I thought he would enjoy that. It's a unicorn, so I'm probably gonna do stocking for that. And these, I have no rhyme or reason for who they're really going to. I just bought them up. But I got this set of 20-piece Play-Doh play cutters and rollers and different things like that. There's a pair of play scissors. That would be fun for someone because there's a bunch of little kids in the family. I also picked up a pack of the 4-pack neon dough. It's not horrible dough, and with a little bit of water you can bring it back to life. Now one of these is definitely Connor's. I got him the 12 sheets of the paint magic posters of the Avengers. This is definitely something that's going for Christmas, and I'm all about buying crafty stuff and putting together a light thing. And then I also got a Paw Patrol one, but you've been watching me for years, you probably already know that. And I picked up another one of the manuscript tablets for Connor. You get 60 sheets, so we've been doing a lot of practice our writing. Another item to go in his little busy bag for Christmas, or his craft bag, are these Jurassic World markers. I already told you we're a fan of Jurassic Park, so these are pretty darn awesome. I also, to go in that bag, picked up a Paint Water Dinosaurs, Paint with Water. These are such neat books, and sometimes you can find them in Sesame Street there. And also for his bag, I found some of these Crayola Silly Scent 8-pack markers. I should have picked 2 of these up. So yes, I picked up these, and this is a great find and great deal. Hopefully they have them again when I go again. This is kind of a theme thing. I got the Justice League crayons, 10 jumbo crayons. I also picked up a Batman jumbo coloring book to go with that. Those are not for Connor, those will be for someone else. As well as the wooden puzzle with the trucks. This is a little young for Connor, so this is going to go to another child, but I still thought that was really neat for $1. And I have one other crafting thing I want to share with you guys. And then this is also something I'm putting back, but it's a giant coloring book and activity book. You get, and it's got dinosaurs, so you get all these dinosaur stickers, and you get these jumbo pictures to color. Now the jumbo pages at Walmart are like $5, well, anywhere from $3 to $5 for the jumbo books. And yeah, I found this one for $1, so I'm really happy with that. And then last but not least, some just fun finds. On Blu-ray, I found Red vs. Blue Season 10. We have been fans of Rooster Teeth or Achievement Hunter for a very long time. Yeah, so I just thought this would be kind of neat to have on the shelf, plus $1 for a Blu-ray. Come on. What a good gift as well for someone if you know that like Red vs. Blue. And then I found some canvas arts. This says, "A true love story never ends." This is going in my bathroom. Hands down, it's going in the bathroom. I love that they're doing these now. And it's a nice little print for $1. And then this one, you can already guess where this is going. It's lipsticks. It's going in my beauty area. How adorable. I'm in love with this. But anyways, you guys, that's my Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of long. I had a lot of things. Like I said, it was like $66 worth of stuff. So I thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box for additional links. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.